Why freeze your credit?
Freezing your credit adds an extra layer of protection against identity theft. When your credit is frozen, lenders cannot access your credit report to approve new accounts in your name. This helps stop fraudsters from opening unauthorized credit cards or loans. It's a smart step for anyone concerned about personal data breaches or identity fraud.
What you need before you start.
To freeze your credit, you'll need basic information like your full name, social security number, date of birth, and current address. You may also need copies of identification documents and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Having these items ready makes the process faster and smoother.
Where to freeze your credit?
In the United States, credit freezes must be placed with each of the 3 main credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each bureau has its own website and phone line for placing a freeze. Freezing your credit with only one bureau is not enough. Make sure to contact all 3 for full protection.
How to freeze your credit online.
Visit the official websites of Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Find their credit freeze pages and follow the prompts to set up a freeze. You'll need to create an account or verify your identity. After confirming your information, you can freeze your credit instantly online. Be sure to keep any PIN or password provided. These may be required to lift or temporarily thaw the freeze later.
What happens after freezing your credit?
Once your credit is frozen, most lenders cannot access your credit report. This prevents new accounts from being opened until you lift the freeze. You can still check your own credit, apply for jobs, rent an apartment, or get insurance. Remember to keep your freeze PIN or credentials in a safe place in case you need to temporarily unlock your credit.